This lecture is on the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is a combination of the present perfect and the present continuous. And it focuses on the action itself rather than the results of the action. And if you compare this with the present perfect, which focuses more on the results. So just very quick example. The present perfect continuous is I've been reading the book you suggested, and the present perfect is I've read the book you suggested. Now, if we're talking about focusing on the action, I've been reading the book you suggested, it sort of means I haven't finished it yet. I'm enjoying it. The reading is the thing that's important. Thank you for giving it to me. I'm enjoying it. I'm still reading it. And the present perfect focuses more on the result. So I've read the book you suggested. So I've finished it now, and now we can talk about it. I hope that is clear. The present perfect is used for unfinished actions that are still happening in the present, temporary situations or habits, actions that have recently finished with relevant results for us now. The formation of the present perfect continuous is in the positive case subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. So I have been eating ice cream. So subject is I takes have, not has, been, and then eat is the verb plus ing. So I've been eating ice cream. In a negative one, similar to above, but after have has we add a not. So we haven't been eating ice cream. As a question, have or has plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. So has she been eating ice cream? As a negative question, similar to the question, but after have or has we have a not. So the example, hasn't he been eating ice cream? Let's look at some examples. Unfinished actions that are still happening in the present. I've been living here for 3 years, and I still live here now. Or I've been waiting for 2 hours, and I'm still waiting. Now in both of these, we could have used the present perfect. And the first example would be, I've lived here for 3 years, and we can sort of almost interchange the two. In this particular example, the meaning is almost the same. And in the second case, we would have said, I have waited for 2 hours. And by using the perfect continuous form, it's sort of emphasizing the waiting. For temporary situations or habits, so I've been jogging a lot recently, which is something I don't normally do. If it was something I did normally do, we would say present simple, I jog. Or I've been reading that book you suggested and haven't quite finished it. Or for actions that have recently finished with relevant results now. So it's been raining, which is why I'm wet. Or I've been studying late this week, which is why I'm tired.